Hello and welcome to one of Mac's custom content tutorials. In this one we will be learning about Sketchup modeling, the plugins, texturing and exporting. Open your Internet Explorer. Go to google.com and type Google Sketchup tutorials. Click the first link. Go into Basic. Now, you need to watch all of these videos and play around in Sketchup to learn how to model. Click the link and it will display the video. You also need to go back and watch some of the advanced tutorials as well. Not all of the tutorials will be useful but some will, for example the erase video. You don't need to watch the last 3, as they will not be useful for RCT3. When you open up Sketchup from our folder, you will notice the plugins that we download from the previous tutorial. Each of these is a guide for what it says. So the half tile is equivalent to a half tile placement flag in RCT3. I will use a full tile placement. Now I'm going to create a simple cuboid with the skills I learned from Google's tutorials. Once you have finished modeling, you are going to delete the placement. You can do this in 2 ways. By clicking it and pressing delete. Or going to Edit, Delete Guides. To texture you are going to click File. A new window will pop up and this is where you need to select your texture. Make sure this circle has a dot in it like mine. This is important. Make sure your texture is one of the sizes on the screen or it will not work. Click once anywhere on a face, then click again. Go to the Paint Bucket tool and press the house icon, select the texture you just now imported, and apply it to the other faces of your model. Don't forget the bottom. Any face without a texture will be invisible to the game. Now, if you ever want to edit the placement of your texture, select the face. Right-click. Go to Texture. Position. Now you can do anything you want to this texture. Move it. Skew it. Rotate it. And resize it. Note I haven't done anything to my texture, I'm just showing you all the possibilities. When you are happy with your model, you need to export it. So group all the faces. Don't worry about edges, they will not group or show up in the game. Next, right-click and press Entity Info. In this new window, you need to select the texture you used and name the group. It doesn't matter what you named it, but you need to know what group goes with what texture. Finally, you are going to go to Plugins SAE Exporter and click Export. Click OK. Select where you want to save it and press Save. You should get this window telling you how many faces you have, the groups, and whether there are any bones. Click OK and you have successfully exported. Make sure you save your Sketchup file, as you will probably want to go back and edit it. You should have this file here now. Make sure it says a SAE file and not just file, or the importer won't recognize it. I thank you for watching this tutorial from GAC. I hope you have learned something new.